wettest channel on the internet.
We're back and on the road again, but this time we're not going that far. We're actually going nearby locally to an event in Miami Lakes that we got a special invitation. And wherever we go, you guys are coming along for the ride, so sit back and enjoy. We're gonna go check out a local event here, charity event, Cars for Cure. Is a charity fundraiser, so I got invited by my good friend George Santana and Charlie, hosting a freestyle concert here in Miami, May 6th. You got to check it out. You get your tickets and make sure to use that Fresco Channel promo code for that discount. And we're here to support, and also, you know, being part of the community is a great thing. And we're here, and you guys are here. So let's go with the show. And right away, as soon as I came in, loving the family atmosphere of this great event. And let's check out this really cool slingshot from the City of Miami Police Department. Imagine driving this around. And here we go from the new to the classic from City of Hialeah. Well, this is my first time here, and I think this event is great, especially because it's a charity event for a good cause, Sylvester Center. And if by any chance you guys want to help out in a donation, I'm going to leave the link below in this video's description. And here's the man that's making everybody dance at the event, DJ George Santana. Well, I guess the City of Miami Lakes got a new deputy in town, and she seems very happy. And you know what else will make me happy? Some food, because I'm starting to smell it and it's starting to make me hungry, so I'm gonna follow the smell and get some. And by the way, once again, I would like to say thank you. And it was a pleasure meeting everybody that came up to me and said hi. The funny thing is, they asked me, what am I doing here? How come I'm not on the water? Well, sometimes you can't be at two different places at the same time. And I was already on the water yesterday. And by the way, did you guys check out the videos? Did you guys like Peanut Island? Well, look where the smell of food
lead me to. This is a section here that you get to taste different kinds of local beer breweries. So if you're a drinker, I guess next time you can stop here, but I'm going straight for the food.
¿Ustedes son de los famosos de los pan con lechones?
Esta gente son los bárbaros del lechón.
Estos son los bárbaros, me mandaron para acá. A ver si es verdad.
And if you've been watching my videos by now, you know this is the best part of the video, right? Food tasting and food eating. And it's funny how people read my shirt and they understood the double meaning. Well, what do you guys think? We got music, we got food, we got drinks. All we need is water to make it perfect. And what else can you ask for? Great people, good food, and a great time. Well guys, I would love to spend time here with everybody, but I came to show you guys a car show. So let's walk around and look at some cars. What do you think? And also, it was a great pleasure meeting the event organizer, Sergio's. I'm gonna let the video roll and let the cars speak for themselves. Well, guys, what do you think about all these amazing cars? I mean, I kind of focus on the old school classics because you don't see them on the road anymore, but there's all types of models and years here to enjoy. So definitely, if you're a car lover, make sure you don't miss it next year. Remember, this charity event is called Cars for Cure and is held in the city of Miami Lakes in Main Street shops. And if you have a cool car and you want to get involved for the next one, well, make sure to reach out Cars for Cure Sergio. And this is my first time here, but definitely I'll be back next year with the whole family because me and Olguita will enjoy the food and the kids will enjoy the cars. And definitely you're gonna catch Olguita dancing by the stage. And also, if you wanted to make a donation for Cars for Cure, I'm gonna leave the link on the description below. And remember to always follow us on Instagram for local events like this one that will be happening around South Florida, because summer is coming and there's gonna be a lot of fun in the sun.
Oh folks, if you like cars and having fun in the land, like me, I could do both. I could do fun in the water or fun on the land. And today was land time. And here supporting my good friend George Santana, best freestyle DJ in Miami, baby. And yeah, we're here hanging out. I mean, hope you guys enjoy the video of all the cool cars. And by the way, it was super cool meeting all the people here locally and for this special event here in Main Street. So I'll see you guys out in the water or on the street. Until next time.